Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2017 Jeep Wrangler Unlimited. The Jeep Wrangler Unlimited is an on- and off-road capable vehicle that was made for you to enjoy. Stylish, rugged, and comfortable, all traits of the Wrangler that let you decide where you want to go and how you want to get there. This vehicle has less than 50,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, brake assist, traction control, stability control, engine immobilizer, convertible soft top, tires, front all-terrain, tires, rear all-terrain, four-wheel disc brakes. Come see the car for yourself.